some news for smokers. The fight to have cigarettes sold during lockdown is far from over. The Fair Trade Independent Tobacco Association is considering appealing a court ruling after it dismissed an application to have the ban on the sale of tobacco products overturned. Well, what's their next step? Let's hear now via Skype from Snenhlanhla Mnguni, chairperson of the Fair Trade Independent Tobacco Association, that's FITA. Mr. Mnguni, good morning. What's your next step? You've lost the first round in court. What are you going to do now?
Good morning, Dan. Yes, we've been consulting with our legal representatives since the ruling, which was handed down by the full bench of the High Court on Friday. With the possibility, we are considering rather an appeal on a number of grounds, and it's something that we do not wish to rush into at this point. We will make the relevant announcements once we have made a firm decision on this issue.
So how long will it take you to come to that firm decision?
Look, it will be the next day or so.
Now, what will be the main considerations for you?
Look, there's a number of considerations. Just one that sort of screams out at you is the fact that the state never requested costs to be awarded against us, and yet the court made a ruling to order costs against us. Then we obviously deal with the fact that we feel that the threshold, and as far as the court's finding that the minister's decision was rational in implementing the ban, was too low, in that as things currently stand in light of the ruling, it makes any court challenge of these regulations rather difficult, in that it states that the fact that the minister considered some medical literature is sufficient to show some rationality in her decision.
So we'll have to wait and see in a day or two when you make that decision whether or not to appeal.
That's correct.
Thank you very much.